Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, this is me, Aisyah Mahmud. Today, I and my group gonna present our database project about restaurant in Padang called Dapoer Mbok Gendhuk. So, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, I would like to introduce the members of the group, which are first me, Aisyah Mahmud, and then Muhammad Farhan, and then Nurul Fadhilah, and the last is Zulius Ari Darma. Company background. This business was founded in 2015. At the time of its inception, this restaurant was named Mie Jawa Metro, which is a branch of a restaurant based in Bandung. This restaurant is a family business of Abdul Khalid. Then he decided to develop a business in their hometown, Padang, and collaborate with his youngest brother, Zulkarnain. In 2017, Mie Jawa Metro changed its name to Dapoer Mbok Gendhuk, which means Mother and Child Kitchen or Dapur Ibu dan Anak. It is a representation of a child's love and affection for his mother. It can also be seen from the interior of VIP room, which is full of memorable photos of the owner's family. The general information about database. What is the database? The database is a complete operational data record of an organization or company which is organized and stored integrated using a specific method in the computer to enable it to meet the optional information needed by users. It is a representation of the understanding database we described above. This database describes the record of the transaction of a restaurant in Padang, called Dapoer Mbok Gendhuk. On this database, we will display menu packages, restaurant staffs, available rooms, customer order records, and transaction data we have compiled in a database. The contents of the business data. First, menu package. Second, staff. Third, room and order. Fourth is transaction, and the last is relationship. For each tables, we also have the form and report, and also some queries. The next is menu package table. This table gonna presented by Nurul. So Nurul, the time is yours.
Thank you, Aisyah. I will explain the menu package. We have 4 parts of menu package. The first is table, the second is queries, the third is form, and the last is report. The first is menu package table. In this table, we show the package name that we offer to the customer. The first is package A, consists mie godok and es teh manis with the price 20,000 rupiah. The second is package B, consists the mie godok special and jus sehat with the price 30,000 rupiah. And the third is package C, consists the nasi goreng maut and lemon tea with the price 25,000 rupiah. The next is package D, consists the ayam goreng lombok ijo plus nasi with tumis kangkung terasi and es teh manis with the price 35,000 rupiah. The next is package E, consists the nila asam manis plus nasi with capcay kuah and es jeruk with the price 50,000 rupiah. And the last is snacks, consists the tempe tahu mendoan and air mineral with the price 10,000 rupiah. The second part of menu package is queries. For the queries, we have 2 queries for the menu package. The first is best-selling package. In these queries, shows which packages were sold the most. For this table, we know the most packages that we are sold is package A with the 15 customer. And the second queries is menu below 35,000 rupiah. From the table, we know that menu below 35,000 rupiah, there are package A with the price 20,000 rupiah, package B with the price 30,000 rupiah, package C with the price 25,000 rupiah, package D with the price 35,000 rupiah, and the last is next with the price 10,000 rupiah. The third part of menu package is form. In this form, we use 4 types of button. First is button that we customize it with next, previous, last, and first. Then we customize it to a sprint report button and open report button. Second, we have combo box, which is the menu below 35,000 rupiah. The third is we have option button, and the last is we have label button. And the last part of menu package is report. In this report, we can see the menu package that we offer to the customer, which is from the package A until the snacks. Okay, that's all from menu package. I will back to moderator.
Okay, thanks to Nurul. The next presentation will be conducted by Farhan. To Farhan, the time is yours.
Okay, Aisyah, thank you. I will explain about staff. Staff have four parts. Consists staff table, staff queries, staff form, and staff report. Tables. This is the staff table. It is consists with 8 fields, which are number, staff ID, gender. There are two options, which are female and male. Phone number for the residency, there are two options, which are host and employee host. Email and the position that are owner, cashier, waiter, and chef. Staff queries. The most diligent worker is Ruben Sanadi. He handled then 10 customers. Staff form. Staff form have field consists number, staff ID, staff name, gender, phone number, residency, email, and position. In this form, we use four types of button. First is button that we customize it with next, previous, last, and first. Then we customize it to us print report button and open report button. Second, we have combo box. Third, we have option button. And the last, we have label button. This is report of staff table that consists staff ID, staff name, gender, phone number, residency, email, and position. Thank you. That's all. I'll back to Aisyah.
Thank you to Farhan. The next presentation.
Okay, thanks to moderator. I would like explain about room database. And the database is consists of table, report, queries, and form. First, I would like to explain about the room table. The room table has room type, facility, and price chart. First, indoor has table set and fun, and the price chart is 0 rupiah. And for outdoor, has table set, price chart is 0 rupiah. And non-smoking room has table set and smoke free, and the price chart is 10,000 rupiah. And for the rooftop has table set, city view, and garden, and the price chart is 0 rupiah. And the fourth VIP room has table set, AC, smoke free, and extra service, and the price chart is 15,000 rupiah. Next, room queries. And room queries has menu below 35,000 rupiah, and has customer name, package name, room type, package price check, and the total price. Okay, next I will explain about room are frequently booked queries. And in these queries, we have customer name, package names, room type, package price check, total price, and invoice. And the frequently room bucket is for VIP room. Next is room form. And in this form, we use four types of button. First is button that we customize it with next, previous, last, and first. Then we customize it to a sprint report button and open report button. Second, we have a combo box. Third, we have option button, and the last we have label button. Next, I will explain about room report. And this is the report of room that consists room type, facility, and price chart. I will explain about order database. And in this database, we has same like before. We has table, queries, report, and from. First, I would like explain about order table. Order table consists customer name, package order, room type, handled by, and price check and invoice. Next, okay, next I will explain about order queries. The queries is best selling price. The best selling price has customer name, package name, room type, package price, and total price. And the best selling price is package A. Next, next the order form. In this form, we use four types of button. First is button that we customize with its next, previous, last, and first. Then we customize it to a sprint report button and open report button. Second, we have combo box. Third, we have option button, and the last we have label button. Next is order report. This is the report of order tables that consists customer name, package order, room type, handled by, uh, price chart, and invoice. Thank you. Back to moderator.
Transaction. In this transaction section, there are four parts. The first is table, the second is queries, the third is form, and the fourth part is report. Let's move to the first part. Transaction table. In this transaction tables, there are 10 fields that must be filled in, such as customer name, package name, order methods, room type, handled by, staff ID, package price, price charts, total price, and invoice. For order methods, Dapoer Mbok Gendhuk just use offline order. For room type, there are 5 types of room. The first is VIP, and then non-smoking room, outdoor, indoor, and also rooftop. For the price charts, there are two charts. The first is if it's a VIP room, it will be cost as much as 15,000 rupiah, and for non-smoking room, it costs as much as 10,000 rupiah, and then the other room doesn't charge at all. Next, queries. There are 4 queries for transaction. The first is best-selling package. In these queries, there are 5 fields. The first is customer name, and then package name, room type, package price, and total price. And the best-selling package in Dapoer Mbok Gendhuk is package A that costs 20,000 rupiah. And then menu below 35,000 rupiah. In these queries, there are 6 fields, such as customer name, package name, room type, package price, price charts, and also total price. There are several menus below 35,000 rupiah, such as package C that costs 25,000 rupiah, package A that costs 20,000 rupiah, package D that costs 35,000 rupiah, and also snacks that cost 10,000 rupiah. And then room that frequently booked. From this query, we know that VIP room is the room that frequently booked. And the last queries is most diligent workers. From these queries, we know that Ruben Sanadi is the most diligent workers. He handled more than 10 customers. And the next part is transaction form. In this form, we use 4 types of button. The first button is the button that we can customize it. In this form, we customize it as a next, previous, last, and first. And also we customize it too as a print report button and also open report button. Because it is the last form, we add the add record button too. The second is we have combo box, which is customer who shop more than 50,000 rupiah. And the third, we have option button. And the last, we have label button. The last part is transaction report. This is the report of the transaction of Dapoer Mbok Gendhuk. It consists of customer name, package name, order methods, room type, handled by, staff ID, package price, price charge, total price, and invoice. Next, the relationship. This is the relationship from those tables above. There are menu package, staff, room, and order that have the relationship with the transaction tables. For menu package, the primary key is on the package name. So relationship it with the package name on the transaction tables. From the staff tables, the primary key is on the staff ID. So we relationship it with the staff ID on the transaction. And then room. In room, the primary key is on the room type. So we relationship it to with the room type on the transaction. And last, the order tables have the primary key on invoice. So we relationship it to with the invoice on the transaction. And the four transaction tables, the primary key is on the customer name. That's all of our presentation today. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.